everyone, how are you? This is Nidhi, clinical nutritionist, and I am working at Nahar Medical Center. Today, I thought of talking about a topic which is going on in every house, that is online classes. जैसे हमें आजकल मालूम है हमारे बच्चों का ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहा है, हमको अपने बच्चों को ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में क्या क्या खिलाना चाहिए और उनको बीच बीच में हम लोग को क्या स्नैक्स देना चाहिए, ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है। एज बीइंग अ मदर वी ऑफन फील कि हमको उनको ये देना चाहिए, उनको ये खिलाना चाहिए, उनको बस खिलाते ही रहना चाहिए बिकॉज वो लोग ऑनलाइन बेचारे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उनका उनका ध्यान रखना है। बट यस, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के दौरान what we all can give to our kids. Okay, I'll tell you few things which are very good, which are good in omega-3 fatty acids, good, which are very good in micronutrients, which will help for their brain, which will help for their eyes। ऐसे जैसे कि half of the time उनका screen time आजकल ज़्यादा हो गया है, तो we need to take care of all those things। सबसे पहले I have kept some elements। ये बादाम हमको रोज़ भिगाने हैं रात को, और मॉर्निंग जैसे ही बच्चे उठते हैं तो दीज बादाम वी शुड गिव टू आर किड्स, एटलीस्ट 5 to 6 बादाम एवरी डे। और मॉर्निंग में हम जैसे ही उठते हैं वी शुड गिव लिटिल हॉट वाटर ऑल्सो। हॉट वाटर इज़ लाइक अ डिटॉक्सीफायर, इट हेल्प्स टू टेक आउट द टॉक्सिन्स। सो प्लीज़ हमें अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा सा गर्म पानी पिलाने की आदत डालनी चाहिए। उसके बाद हम बादाम उनको दे सकते हैं। फिर हम उनको मिल्क तो हम देते ही हैं, ऑब्वियस है, हम सभी बच्चे मिल्क पीते हैं। बट येस, एज बीइंग अ मदर आप उनको सब कुछ ही दे रहे होगे, ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर। बट इन बिटवीन हमको उनको इंगेज करने के लिए फूड के साथ कैसे रखना है। जब भी उनका एक ब्रेक होता है, लाइक उनका एक क्लास है, देन यू हैव अ ब्रेक, please cut some fruits for them. Give banana. Banana is the easiest fruit to eat. Give orange, banana, give apple, whatever fruit is available, but please keep banana. Because what happen, I am seeing at my home also sometime when there is nothing, so they straight away go for a chocolate or something. So we need to catch them, we have to give them some good fruits। Okay, second thing, we need to give them few like फ्रूट्स भी आप गिवन। फिर बीच बीच में आप उनको कभी क्या कहते हैं, कुछ जैसे फिग दे दीजिए, दैट इज़ अंजीर। दिस फिग इज़ रियली गुड। ऐसे 1-2 फिग उनको दे दिया, बीच बीच में उनको वाटर ज़रूर दीजिए, कभी उनके पानी में आधा नींबू डाल दीजिए। सो इट विल हेल्प टू बूस्ट देयर इम्यूनिटी ऑल्सो, एंड जस्ट देयर स्टमक विल ऑल्सो गेट फुल एंड दे विल नॉट सी द जंक आइटम। ओके, देन कम्स अ लंच आइटम। लंच में आप उनको जो भी देना चाहते हैं, नॉर्मल फूड यू कैन गिव टू देम। आफ्टर दैट टेल देम टू टेक at least, everyone is having some 10 minutes, 15 minutes break, so please tell them to move, have water, use washroom, and just move your hands, they should sometimes move their hands like this. They should move their eyes also here and there. They should move their neck, they should move their hands like this. So please tell them to move their body whenever they get time, because it will activate all the muscles and they will feel more fresh। Okay, then after that, when around 4 o'clock or 4:30, when there's school, I think school gets over, some school get over 3, some 2, whatever the timing is, straight away tell them just don't attack to the again one more screen, that is mobile, or they are saying Netflix and all. So please tell them, tell them to just lie down for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Just tell them to close their eyes for some time, it will really help। Okay, after that it's okay, they can see for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, they can see whatever they want to see, they can just relax। Then as they get up, give them some buttermilk, give them some lassi, give them some smoothie, add chia seed in this. Chia seed are high protein, they are high fiber rich also, they have zinc, selenium, which is very important, Then sometimes you can add these seeds also. These super seeds I got from Amazon. It's available there. It has all the seeds in it, and these seeds we can add in juice, we can add in lemon water, we can add in buttermilk, where whatever your kid wants, please give them. So these small things, as they are sitting inside, their vitamin D, B12, all these deficiencies is possible they are having. So we have to use all these seeds and all. So try to see, if you are giving so many things, like for snacks also give them some boiled corn, some boiled vegetables, boiled mushrooms, some you can just grate some cheese in it so it becomes more tasty. Okay, so basically kids need taste. Okay, they are not seeing how much it is. Okay, if you add little a dash of cheese in it, they will be really happy. So full day we are giving something or other, but it is nutritious, it is healthy, which is very good for their health, their eyes, their brain. And at the end, most important thing is the dinner time. The dinner time should be together. We should sit together with the family, we should eat properly, we should not see any TV or computer while eating, because whole day we are doing that only. So it's better to avoid that time. Tell your kids to sleep on time, that is also very important. And at least they have, the routine should be important, so make them sleep by 11, at least 11. And just at least 7 to 8 hours sleep should be completed. And then again the second day start. I hope this video helps you a lot, and soon I will come with some different video. Wait till that time. Bye bye.